What's up, Doc? Spoon of sugar. 2 tablespoons of flour. Make it rise for 20 minutes. Mix it. Make it rise for 20 minutes. Some shortening. 1/2 cup. And then put flour. 2 cups. So 1 teaspoon. Then mix it. This time you have to use your finger looking good. You put some basil, crushed basil, parsley. Then knead it again. Okay. Wait. After you knead it, make it rise for an hour. The dough that's already double, see that? Now we're gonna press it into a circle, roll it. Like that. See, fix the side. Like that one, that will make a little hole in it. Brush with butter that has garlic on it, so it will smell like garlicky. Put some sauce. Never mind the later. I just use the way I like it. A little of this mozzarella cheese. Put mushroom, bell pepper, olives, onions. That's the topping. If it don't look good, then so be it. The ham, the sausage,
you're blocking it with him.
Okay, the last topping is the basil. This will smell really, really good.